that is a pineapple baby. All right, fam. So how to grow pineapple every year without buying more pineapple to get the tops? Just it just keep multiplying. So if you watch previous videos, what we did 3 years ago, 3.5, 4 years ago, is we bought a pineapple from the store. We took that top and grew it out until it gave us a pineapple. It took about 18 months. We do live in a warmer, more humid climate that the pineapple plants love this weather. It took about 18 months to get our first pineapple. After that, we took the suckers, and every year we pick those suckers off and replant them. Now, our pineapple do better in pot than it do in ground. My husband did put some in ground. They just didn't grow all that well. But our pineapple in pot, every year they give us pineapple. Now, this thing is flowering, and it's earlier than, this is the middle of April. It's earlier than what we expected, but I guess it's ready. So what can we say? We got pineapple on the way. Homegrown pineapple is the best pineapple you will ever have. You can let that thing ripen on a plant. It does take a few months depending on where you are. We just got to be patient. Let it grow out. We wait until it starts turning yellow. Watch it. Because something, not my husband, but some animal will come along and ruin your pineapple if you don't keep an eye on it. But I'm going to bring you up close so you can see what it looked like, and we will document this every month or so as it grows so y'all can see homegrown pineapple. Again, we probably planted this a good 6-8 months ago in this pot. This is a sucker from the mother plant, was a store-bought pineapple that we have picked the suckers off and let them continue to grow. My husband got another one here. I'm gonna bring it in closer so you can see. The mother plant here had already produced a pineapple. He didn't even take this sucker off. He just let it grow, and it's growing beautifully. So, all right. So he got this stick here to help. I got it zoomed in so you can see. He got this stick here to help hold it up as it grow. But that is a pineapple baby. Isn't it precious? And it'll grow up. That's the top of it. It'll grow up and flare out a little bit, just like a pineapple top you get from the store. So, I wanted to show you an up-close shot of a beautiful pineapple and what it looked like when it's first flowering and start growing. But that there is going to be delicious one day. So, if you are not subscribed or following along, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Turn that bell on so you can keep up as this baby grow up, and so much more we got going on here. My husband had started our spring garden and showed y'all how we started from scratch. And some beds we just kept them going and minute the soil for the next year. But make sure you are following along so you can see how this pineapple plant do. So you can grow your own. You can grow pineapple anywhere. You can keep them indoor if you need to. They make beautiful house plants. Now, they will stick you, so you do want to be careful. But it's an amazing plant that you can grow indoor or out. So even if you live in a colder climate, you can always bring it indoors to protect it. You just got to be careful to not poke yourself so much. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Somebody else would love to hear about the goodness of growing your own pineapple and how easy it is. Again, ours do better in pots than they do in ground. Most of our pineapples have come from pots. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below, and we'll see you in the next one. Y'all have an amazing day, and don't let nobody steal your joy.